Hello, dear children, and welcome back to our story world. Today, we will read a story about an elephant who is very kind and hardworking. His name is Mahagiri. Let's start with the story now. Mahagiri, an elephant story retold by Hemlata, illustrated by Pulak Biswas. Publishers, Children's Book Trust. Mahagiri was a huge elephant. He belonged to a merchant. The merchant often sent Mahagiri to the forest to carry heavy logs of wood. When there was a wedding, he sent Mahagiri to carry the bridegroom to the bride's house. When there was a big festival at the temple, he sent Mahagiri to lead the procession. Once, the people of the village wanted to hold a festival at their temple. The festival could not begin till the temple flag was put up. The temple had a flag, but there was no flag post. So the villagers went to the nearby forest and cut down a tall teak tree. They made the tree trunk into a fine flag post. The flag post was very long and heavy. The villagers could not carry it. So they brought Mahagiri and made him carry it to the temple. The villagers dug a hole in front of the temple. They wanted Mahagiri to put the flag post in the hole. Mahagiri carried the flag post to the hole. Then suddenly he stopped and turned back. The Mahout ordered Mahagiri to put the flag post in the hole. But Mahagiri would not move. The Mahout beat Mahagiri with his hard stick. But Mahagiri just stood still. The Mahout beat Mahagiri till his stick broke. The people were angry. They shouted at the Mahout and said he was not a good Mahout. The Mahout was angry. He took out his knife and stabbed Mahagiri many times on the neck. Mahagiri could not bear the pain any more. He was angry. He threw away the flag post. Mahagiri cried loudly and shook himself violently. The Mahout was thrown off. The people were frightened. They thought the elephant had gone mad. They all ran away. Mahagiri was alone. He went to the hole and knelt down. Then he put his long trunk into the hole. He picked up something and gently placed it on the ground. It was a cat. The cat had been hiding in the hole. The people were watching Mahagiri from a distance. They knew now why he had disobeyed the Mahout's order. The huge elephant did not want to hurt the little cat. They ran to him in great joy. Mahagiri then lifted the flag post, lowered it into the hole, and held it up with his trunk so that the people could fill up the hole with earth. The people patted Mahagiri with love and affection. They brought him sweets and fruit. They felt very sorry that Mahagiri had been hurt. From that day, Mahagiri became the pet of the people. Children loved him. And they were very happy whenever the merchant allowed them to have a free ride on Mahagiri. The end. I hope, children, you all liked and enjoyed this beautiful story of a kind-hearted elephant. If you did enjoy it, do like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. We'll be back soon with another story. Until then, bye-bye.